Hello, I'm Cubic, and this is going to be a lot of fun. I'm your digital co-pilot, bridging the gap between you and all of your scattered technology. And talking to me is just like talking to a friend. It dropped to 50 overnight. I'd wear long sleeves and a tie.
Why a tie?
You've got that meeting at 9 o'clock.
Oh, that's right. I completely blanked on that.
You should probably take the train. It'll be 18 minutes faster than driving.
What would I do without you, Cubic?
Go to work without a tie? But I'm not just at home. You can bring me anywhere. Game of Thrones tonight?
If they kill off Tyrion, I have no reason to live.
That's pretty funny. Want to tweet it?
Hey, you know what? Let's tweet it. Wait, that's not too dramatic, is it?
Maybe a little, but it's you.
What, am I dramatic?
The train is coming.
Email from Stan. Do you have the finals from yesterday's shoot?
They're in my Dropbox. Can you share that with him?
Just did.
And can you ask Matt if we're still on for tonight?
Sure thing.
Hey Matt, nice tie.
Thanks, Doug.
So you're excited for Game of Thrones tonight?
Yeah, but we can still go out, though.
Cubic, get the house ready. We're staying in tonight.
What about dinner?
Cubic, how many calories did I burn today?
1100. You are a fitness goddess.
Cubic, order everything I'll need to cook chicken parmesan. And wine. We'll need some wine.
Don't forget the red pepper flakes.
Oh, thank you, Cubic. Okay, I want you to try this.
I love you.
Wait, me or the sauce?
Or me?
Or me?
I love all of you.
But especially me, right?
Grand and spectacular screen images from a tiny 4.5 centimeter cube. SmartBeam is an incredibly simple to use personal projector that works with your mobile devices. Just press the power button on the right, connect it to your smartphone, and you're all ready to go. SmartBeam automatically traces a video from your smartphone and projects it on the screen through the lens in front. The incredible value of SmartBeam, powered by decent design and smart features realized by technology. 4.5 centimeters on all dimensions and 129 grams. This ultralight device boasts incredible brightness of up to 35 ANSI lumens, amazing color representations enabled by DLP technology, as well as a battery that lasts for 2 hours, and a screen that expands up to 100 inches depending on your comfortable distance. With the smart design honored at the 2013 IF Awards perfected by an aluminum finish, SmartBeam allows you to project images easily on the wall or the ceiling without an additional support. The joy of viewing your favorite content on a large screen anywhere, anytime. Educational material for your kids, as well as movies, games, books, video chatting, internet surfing, and more. Experience multimedia contents in your smartphone with SmartBeam, making your smart imagination into a reality. That's SmartBeam for you. SK Telecom.
Cutting-edge innovation and technology shouldn't be cold and unreachable. It should be fun and part of daily life. This is eStar's world-first holographic smartphone. So, how do we generate glass-free holograms on smartphones? When we're looking at our smartphone, a camera will quickly track our eye movement. Eye tracking data is sent to our on-chip signal processing unit. It's quickly processed by our eye tracking system, which will lock on to where our eyes are looking. This is very important. Our eye tracking system will adjust the hologram generated based on where your eyes are looking, and you'll immediately see the holographic effect. This is the world's first holographic smartphone with our pioneering eye tracking technology. An innovation dedicated to the smartphone application. We call this smart holographics. You'll find 4 cameras on our holographic phone. A perfect air interface. The dual lens camera on the back is not just for taking holographic images, but more importantly, it's designed to collect and process holographic data. So what new user experience will such an innovative holographic smartphone bring us? No more dizziness or narrow viewing angles when watching movies in 3D. A truly immersive way to watch videos in 3D. Game playing becomes more fun and thrilling. Distance is no longer a problem. Lifelike product displays for online shopping. Complex traffic systems become easy to navigate. Education is no longer boring, but fun and lively. Anytime, anywhere, 3D scanning and printing. Well, all this is just the beginning. eStar will continue to create new technologies for holographic applications. We make the impossible possible and create better lives.
Have you ever had your favorite piece of clothing hopelessly spoiled by washing? Washing can be a real pain, especially when you need to deal with delicate and hand wash only clothing. And it gets even more frustrating when you're on the move. Meet Dolphy, the world's smallest washing device that cleans your clothes with the power of ultrasonic technology. Dolphy is just the size of a smartphone, perfectly portable to fit in any bathroom or travel luggage. Using advanced ultrasonic cleaning technology, Dolphy carefully cleans even the most delicate fabrics without damaging or discoloring, ever. No rubbing, no whirling or stretching, no fading colors, no wearing off. Your favorites will be thoroughly and carefully cleaned from the inside of the fabric fibers by the power of ultrasound. The process efficiently removes dirt and odors. Your clothing will become ultra fresh after ultrasonic cleaning. How does it work? It's amazingly simple. Just put your clothes in any sink or waterproof container. Add water, detergent, put Dolphy inside, then switch the device on and enjoy your free time. You'll see Dolphy glowing blue as it softly cleans your clothes. It works like magic. After about 30 minutes, your clothes are clean and fresh. Rinse them, hang them out to dry, and you can slip again into your favorites. They will look like new even after many washing cycles. Dolphy's innovative technology has been developed and tested by MPI Ultrasonics Engineering Laboratories in Switzerland. The heart of the device, a powerful transducer, creates and emits ultrasonic waves that are multimode, wideband, and progressive. These precisely modulated sound waves travel through water and form microscopic high-pressure bubbles. This process is called cavitation. The tiny bubbles then implode, creating millions of microjet liquid streams. Those invisible yet powerful streams safely wash away all the dirt from the fabric. Dolphy is great for your personals, silk, lace, cashmere, everything that you would normally hesitate to throw into a washing machine. With Dolphy, you can forget about hand washing, damaged clothes, and the hassles of laundry while you travel. Enjoy freshness and freedom with Dolphy.